Alright, today we're making a rainbow with tissue paper, 4 colors, and 2 glasses of water. First, you have to fold your tissue paper in half, just like that. Get the sides together, and then slide it. Then you have to color both sides and do color both sides. You can use any color you want to, and you have to make a rectangle and color it all. Now I have colored the both sides. Now you have to put your glasses in front of you and then get them in here. Put both sides in there and put another side there, and you have to wait. And you can see it sliding out. As you can see, the rainbow has formed into the colors, and when the tissue paper, when the colors were moving together, that is called capillary action.